In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add lock screen shortcuts in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. So at first, if I lock my device and then double tap to unlock, you can see there are two shortcuts in my lock screen, left side and right side. So if you want to add or remove any item from your shortcut, just touch and hold on the lock screen and then unlock your phone. Now from here, just tap on shortcuts. You can choose left or right side. Now you can find two options, actions and apps, and you can choose any kind of shortcut as you want. Suppose if I select calculator from here and then tap on done, and that's it. You can see on the shortcut calculator has been added successfully. Now just swipe it to open calculator, and that's it. And that is how you can add lock screen shortcut in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.